Next level camping stove. Check this out. Do you see that? So then you're going to put your little grill. Nice. And then you have a couple of holders right here. You can lift this up. Looks like this too. In case it's hot and you need to add on charcoal, probably best to grab this one right here and you lift it up when it's hot. And this is how easy it is to fold it back up. Done. You can stick this thing in here and this thing. Boom. It doesn't take a lot of space, does it? One more time, slowly I'll show you how this unfolds. I'll hold this and whenever you flip it over, do you see how it's slided all in? You see there's little notches all over, holds it so well. Beautiful. And whenever you want to close it back up, just lift it, put it upside down and it closes. This is amazing. Wow. Okay, one more time. Look how easy that is. Folding grill. Just a lock. Boom. Nice.